They saw, but a little moisture would certainly be nice to wrap up the week. That will be later on in the week. In the meantime, we've got other things bringing us moisture to begin out the week. Here's a look at Red River Ski Area. All is quiet 3 hours ago, but you'll notice that the clouds start to form, and we're starting to bank up a little bit of moisture on the east-facing slopes of the central mountain chain. That's coming in with the cold front that is nudging into northeastern New Mexico, and that's going to help give us a few showers as we begin the work week. 74 degrees of current temperature, a variable wind at 5 miles per hour. Temperatures across the north into the 70s, but you'll already notice we are cooling down in Clayton. 61 degrees there. They have already seen the front start to edge in. Down to the south, we're looking at temperatures mainly in the upper 60s to low 70s. And as we take a look at the visible satellite, you can do a lot better job picking out the clouds with this, and you can see the leading edge of that front has now pushed through Clayton, and behind it quite a bit of moisture, at least bringing cloud cover. And as we start to go through the afternoon hours, we'll start to see some showers pop up as well. We're already starting to see a couple of those showers form along the spine of the Sangre de Cristo Mountains over toward the San Juans and into the Jemez Mountains as well. So we will start to see some of that moisture pop up not only over the higher terrain but also into the eastern part of the state as we move throughout the afternoon as that front makes progress across the east. Then tonight that front makes progress through Albuquerque and we'll get into a little bit of a canyon wind. We're not talking big time winds by any means, but you will notice elevated winds through the night, and that will push moisture into the central and western portion of the state for the day tomorrow. And by the way, you can see the leading edge of Odile just starting to bring some cloud cover to the far southern portions of the state, but it is going to take a while for Odile to get here. So in the meantime, we watch for that cold front, the scattered showers and storms across the east for this afternoon. Then we start to push some of that moisture into central and western New Mexico throughout the day tomorrow. That'll give us a better chance of seeing some of those showers and storms. Then we actually go quiet for a brief period as we approach Wednesday. That's because we'll have high pressure starting to build back in a little bit. That will limit the number of storms we see. We'll still have a few showers and storms out there, just not as many as what we'll see over the next couple of afternoons. Then we start to turn our attention to Odile. Here's a look at Odile right now making its way along Baja California. It's going to continue to push along Baja California, now a Category 1 storm, and as it does so, it will weaken into a tropical storm and then a tropical depression, and it will start to turn toward Arizona, and it will eventually make its way toward New Mexico, but that won't happen until later in the week and toward the weekend, and as that happens, we'll get a little bit more moisture, especially across southern New Mexico and into the western portion of the state as well. Here's a look at your forecast for southern Colorado. Highs today in the upper 70s to low 80s, mostly sunny skies. We'll have isolated showers and storms through the next few days. It won't be until later in the week when we get some of those remnants from Odile that we'll have a better shot at some of those showers and storms. Over the northwest, same story here. We'll have spot storms over the next couple of days and then more widespread showers and storms for the end of the week and the weekend. Over the southwest, scattered afternoon showers and storms here, a good possibility. Better for tomorrow as that front pushes through. We'll drop the temperatures a little bit as well, and we'll continue with those showers and storms as those tropical remnants start to move through. Over the southeast, partly cloudy skies, scattered storms this afternoon. We'll continue with a decent shot at getting some showers and storms throughout the rest of the work week and into the weekend. Over the northeast, partly sunny skies. We will be cooling those temperatures down throughout the afternoon. Highs into the 60s and 70s. We'll continue with the moisture with the front through the first half of the week, and then the second half of the week we'll have some of those remnants from Odile. Over the northern mountains, partly cloudy skies. We'll have a chance at a few storms for today, better chances for tomorrow, and then once again toward the upcoming weekend. Over the east mountains, partly sunny skies, scattered storms with highs in the upper 70s to near 80 degrees. In the metro, low to mid 80s with a slight chance at a storm, but we'll have better chances with more moisture around for tomorrow. And of course, we'll be watching for more moisture for the end of the week and the weekend with the remnants of Odile.
Okay, thank you, John.